Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to bet on Betway. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar type in betway.com. Once you type it in, you'll get to this web page. Now on this page, you have to log into your account, and if you don't have an account, you can click on this sign up button at the top right corner to register a new account. Once you have the account, click on this login button. Then they will ask you to enter your username and your password. So go ahead and do that. Once you have entered your login credentials, you can click on this login button, and in case if you have forgotten your password, click on this link where it says forgot password. Once you click on the button, you will be logged into your account. Now, in order to bet, you'll have to deposit some amount into your account. To do so, click on your profile at the top right corner, then click on deposit. Now select your method. Then you'll have to choose an amount. Once you choose an amount, click on next. Then you'll have to enter your card details, and once you have entered that, click on this deposit button. Once you have done so, you can go back. Now from the home page, choose any sport, for example football, tennis, table tennis and so on. I'll just select football, so click on any matches that you want to bet. Then you'll get to this page. On this page, you can select your odds, so go ahead and choose any odds. I'll just click on this one. You can choose as many as you want, and once you have selected one, on the right hand side on this box you'll have to enter your stake. So enter your stake, and then you'll have to select on this checkbox and this checkbox, and at last click on this button where it says bet. Once you have done so, you'll place a bet, and once you have placed the bet, you can't cancel that. All you can do is wait for the match to be over, and if you win the odds, you'll get your money. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos, and I'll catch you on the next one.